Hello everyone, we're making cassava cake. So sa isang tray, dalawang grated frozen cassava, dalawa sa isang tray. Dalawang gata ng gata, and then one condensed milk. So ito, na ano ko na po to, na open na. So we have to put the coconut milk here. And to the other tray. Coconut milk po ito. Then 1 cup sugar. 1 cup sugar. Then, kalahating lata ng condensed milk. Preheat na natin yung oven for 350 degrees for 45 minutes po. Then mix it together. Nagpapa-order po ako ng ng native cake, cassava cake, biko, sapin-sapin, pichi-pichi, ano pa ba, egg rolls, mga lutong ulam po, lutong bahay, Filipino food. Yun po yung pinapa-order ko dito sa Canada. Konting sideline, and of course, egg roll. Egg roll is lumpiang Shanghai sa atin, sa Pinas. Tawag namin kasi dito egg roll. Down in another tray. Mga 45 minutes po itong lulutuin for 300 degrees. And then, i-bake natin for 45 minutes. Oops. And then, i-broil po natin mamaya. And then, may toppings po to. We're gonna show you how to do toppings later. Mix lang po, mix well hanggang sa mag-mix together po yung sugar at saka condensed milk and gata. Bara-bara. Makalat ang kusina. Yan lang, mix lang po hanggang mag-dissolve yung sugar at saka yung condensed milk. Yan, isasalang na po natin sa konti pa. Oven. we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, that's one. Okay. That's it. That's how you make it.